Are you ready to take your tattoo artistry to the next level? Today, we are looking at the top 5 best tattoo stencil printers that will help you create clean, precise, and professional stencils every single time. These printers are perfect for both beginners and experienced tattoo artists who want to save time and get flawless results. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out, and let's get started with the video. Phomemo Tattoo Stencil Printer. If you are a tattoo artist or just starting your tattoo journey, the Phomemo M08F Tattoo Stencil Printer might be the perfect companion. This lightweight and portable thermal printer is designed specifically for tattoo use, weighing only 2 pounds and taking up just 60% of the space of a traditional tattoo transfer machine. Its built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery lets you print up to 210 pages on a single charge, giving you freedom from constant cables and allowing you to work anywhere. The Phomemo M08F stands out with its strong compatibility. You can connect it via Bluetooth or USB to your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer, whether you use Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, or even Chrome OS. Printing is simple and intuitive thanks to the powerful Phomemo app, which supports one-click printing and even includes a scanning function to instantly turn your designs into stencils. No need for extra steps like printing on paper first. This device saves time and effort so you can focus on your art. Its advanced thermal technology guarantees clear, crisp, and inkless printing without worrying about messy ink cartridges or blockages. As a bonus, you get 10 sheets of tattoo transfer paper to start right away. What makes this printer even more exciting is its built-in AI design generator, which allows you to create beautiful tattoo designs in multiple styles, including minimalist, realistic, and Japanese traditional. Whether you are a professional tattooist working with clients or a beginner experimenting at home, this printer makes creating, transferring, and perfecting designs incredibly easy and efficient. LifeBasis Tattoo Stencil Printer. The LifeBasis Tattoo Stencil Printer is a reliable choice for tattoo artists who want efficiency, portability, and precision in their design transfers. Specifically designed for professional use, this thermal copier makes transferring tattoo designs onto stencil paper quick and hassle-free, saving you valuable time during busy sessions. At just 1.17 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to move, while its compact build ensures convenient storage when not in use. It supports both A4 and A5 paper sizes, giving you flexibility to handle different design needs, whether small, detailed patterns or larger tattoo concepts. One of its strongest advantages is its affordability and cost-effectiveness. Unlike many traditional machines, the LifeBasis printer requires no ink, bulbs, cylinders, or heating elements, which means less maintenance and lower long-term costs. The printer also features multiple settings, including mirror copy, photo mode, and 2 deepness options. Deepness 1 is excellent for fine, delicate lines, while Deepness 2 works better for bold, heavy outlines, giving you control over how your stencil looks. An overheating warning is included, ensuring safe operation during extended use. For best results, it is recommended to let the machine rest after transferring 1 or 2 sheets, which helps maintain consistent performance. The team also provides responsive support, helping artists quickly resolve issues if they arise. This device's water-resistant design further adds durability, making it a dependable addition to your tattoo setup. For professionals and beginners alike, the LifeBasis Tattoo Stencil Printer offers a smart balance of performance, reliability, and affordability, making it one of the top choices in the stencil printer market. PeriPage Wireless Tattoo Stencil Printer. If portability and precision matter most to you, the PeriPage Wireless Tattoo Stencil Printer is a great option to consider. This compact and lightweight device weighs just 0.68 kilograms, making it easy to carry in your tattoo kit and perfect for traveling artists or those who work in different locations. Its sleek design ensures it does not take up much space while still delivering premium quality results. The PeriPage printer uses advanced thermal printing technology to create clean, precise stencils with sharp lines that help bring your tattoo designs to life. Whether you are printing delicate line work or bold outlines, the printer ensures every detail is transferred accurately. It also supports both Bluetooth and USB connectivity, giving you the flexibility to print from Android and iOS devices quickly and easily. This is a big plus for artists who like to design on tablets or smartphones and send their work straight to the printer without dealing with complicated setups. To make things even better, it comes with 5 complimentary sheets of tattoo transfer paper, so you can start using it right out of the box without any extra purchases. With a maximum monochrome print speed of 15 pages per minute, it is fast enough to handle multiple designs in a short amount of time, helping you keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The PeriPage printer is designed for artists who want reliability, portability, and speed all in one device. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with stencil designs or a professional tattoo artist with a busy schedule, this printer is an excellent tool to streamline your process and make your creative work more efficient and stress-free. Tattmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer. The Tattmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer is a powerhouse of innovation, designed to make tattoo stencil printing smoother and more professional. Its 2025 upgraded wrinkle-resistant mode is one of its standout features, adding protective lines to the edges of the paper to keep it perfectly flat during printing and eliminating creases for flawless stencil transfers. This is a game-changer for artists who demand consistency and quality. Equipped with an upgraded high-definition printhead, the Tattmuse printer delivers faster, sharper, and more precise results, letting you work more efficiently and focus on your art rather than reprints. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, it is as portable as a water bottle and 60% smaller than traditional tattoo transfer machines, making it perfect for tattoo artists on the move. Its built-in rechargeable battery and wireless design make setup easy anywhere you go. The Tattmuse printer also comes with 10 sheets of transfer paper, so you are ready to start immediately. Its smart Phomemo app offers over 800 free tattoo designs, powerful editing tools, and even AI-powered tattoo design generation, allowing you to create custom stencils in seconds. You can split larger designs into multiple sections for easy printing, apply filters to turn photos into outlines, and preview the stencil before committing to print. Itari Tattoo Stencil Printer. The Itari 886 Tattoo Stencil Printer is a fantastic choice for both professional tattoo artists and beginners who want high-quality and efficient stencil transfers. This newly upgraded 2025 model is lightweight, portable, and built with advanced inkless thermal printing technology, meaning no messy ink cartridges and no need for tedious hand drawing. One of its most impressive features is the patented anti-wrinkle mode, which keeps the tattoo paper perfectly flat during printing to ensure clear, sharp, and professional results. This feature is perfect for artists who need precision and consistency in every stencil. The upgraded printhead delivers faster and more accurate prints, allowing you to work with confidence and save valuable time during busy sessions. The Itari 886 is paired with a versatile multifunction app that offers a wide selection of popular tattoo totems, free editing tools, and even the ability to stitch together multiple designs or cut large tattoos into 2 through 9 sections for easier printing.